In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Shein not sending verification codes. So I've not found any information about this issue being recently. The most recent I can find is about 1 year ago. So in emails, it's important to make sure, again, that it's not in your spam folder, that you have the contact enabled, and that you have no rules in place to redirect your email traffic. This is another pretty good thing to use. This is just answer. Here we have information regarding our issue here, and you can talk to them here and they will help us with this. So they ask you if you use it through a web browser or a website. Again, that's another thing to do. Make sure that you are trying it on different devices and also different types of devices. So here we can follow this customer support, account recovery. So here they have online chat, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. and you can do a ticket. So customer service, if we log in here, that'll take us to this customer service where we can talk specifically about our issue. Yeah, if this doesn't work, you have to report this issue to Shein. As I've said, here follow the proper procedure. Now, so I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.